How to fix Windows security blank in Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are facing this issue whereby your Windows security is blank, here are a few solutions that you can try on. So for the very first solution, you have to search for Windows security in the search bar. For that, simply type in Windows security and from the right side click on App Settings. It will open a new tab that is System Components Windows Security. Scroll down a bit and you will see the Reset section. First of all, click on Repair and check if the issue is fixed. If it's not, click on Reset and then restart your computer. The issue should probably be fixed by this. However, if it does not, let's move on to the next solution. So for that, go to the search bar again and this time type in Registry Editor. Once you have clicked on Registry Editor, make sure to give it permission such as Yes to open. Once that is done, you need to go for this specified location, which is HKey Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, Services, and then Security, Health Services. Once you reach on this location, you have the screen as displayed. Now from here, you have this option called as Start. Right click on it and go to Modify. Make sure to change the value data to 3. Once that is done, you can close the registry editor and restart the device, and this should work fine. For the next solution, go to the main screen on the home page. Then after, search a command prompt or terminal and make sure to open it as administrator. Once that is done, here is one command that you need to copy and paste it. The command has been given in the description box. Just copy it and keep it on the terminal box. So these are the 3 solutions that you can try on. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.